The $64 trillion question is, does the bear market we're seeing now spill over into the rest of the market, like what happened in the year 2000? That remains to be seen, yet to be determined. So we can't make a call on that. But what I am saying is, in this market, the general strategy is this. The best thing you could do is not so much figure out which stocks to average down in or which stocks to bottom fish in. Figure out which stocks or asset classes or exchange traded funds or mutual funds, whatever it is, figure out which investments in your portfolio that you are comfortable writing down. Instead of bottom fishing, figure out what are you comfortable holding even in a down market because you're confident it'll recover. That's the name of the game right now. We don't know if everything's going to go down. And if you do get out of everything, the trouble is now you have to get back into everything. Have you been an investor during this bull market for the last year and a half since the bear market caused by the pandemic ended? Or are you just somebody who is enjoying the rally and you figured you must be an investor because you're making money in the stock market up until now? You have to make that decision, and I highly suggest you make that decision very, very quickly.